Let me see what it smells like. I don't know. I ain't remember it smelling like this. Hey Naturalistas, it's your girl Faith. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I will be comparing these two Pre-Poos. Y'all, these are the most talked about affordable pre-shampoos on the market right now. And I'm in love with this one. From African Pride with aloe and coconut water. Y'all, this slip is so amazing. This is probably like my second jar. I'll tell y'all all about that when we get into the video. Don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe if you like this type of content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't ever miss a video from me. Like, come on now, sis. Y'all don't want to miss out on any of the great videos that I post every week. Now let's get into this video. So for my first pre-shampoo is the Moisture Miracle African Pride Aloe and Coconut Pre-shampoo. It says it helps minimizes breakage for natural coils and curls. And it has no parabens, no mineral oils, no sulfates, and no petroleum, which is curly girl friendly. This is the texture. Very juicy and slimy and all that other good stuff. I have my hair tied up so you guys won't see the mess. And I don't want to be judged on here. This is a judge-free zone. If you guys would like a tutorial on how I style my turbans or how to style a turban, comment down below and I'll make sure to get that video for you guys. But the next product is the Just For Me Curl Piece Natural Care for Kids Curls and Kinks. It says it rinse away knots, contains no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, petroleum, filler, something. It does have glycerin, so well, both of these products have glycerin, so if your hair doesn't really mess with glycerin, then I would not reach for these two products. Let me see what it smells like. I don't know. I ain't remember it smelling like this, but if I had to choose, I would prefer the smell of the African Pride. Just saying, hands down, sorry. The consistency is about the same, just a tad smidget, legit, more thicker. You see it's not falling down as quickly as the African Pride. It's now time to reveal my hair. This is a old, probably 5-day, 6-day-old perm rod. You guys, I do have a video. It should be up by the time you guys see this. Go check that out. I'll leave that in the cards above. I should have been washed my hair. So for the right side, your left, I will be using the African Pride. And on the left side, your right, I will be using the Just For Me Prepoo. Now I'm about to just dive in. Make sure I rub this in through the length of my hair. I'm gonna get the ends, of course. Then I'm just going to get my roots, because my roots are the most thickest things I've seen in my life. Like, it's just wow how thick they are. Okay. And the tangles are just melting away. That's why I love this pre-shampoo, especially after you didn't neglect it and left your hair for about 6 days. Yeah, baby girl, you're gonna need this. Like that. That's why I love it, and it just leaves my hair so like moisturized and full of life. Oh, it just revives my hair like that. But I'm just going to get on with the other sections, and I'll just be applying the rest of this Prepoo until it's time to do the other side. So I am done with the African Pride side, and I'm going to be moving on to the Just For Me side. She is really a little tad bit thicker than the African Pride, but I'm pretty sure if you have Tex-Lax hair, relaxed hair, natural hair like me, Pre-Poos are beneficial. It's feeling pretty good. Okay. It's actually feeling the same as the African Pride side. The smell isn't all that pleasant, but who cares when you're detangling your hair with a $5 product. I'm really making sure to get my roots because that's where it is the most tangled at, my roots. I'm not really too worried about my ends with this product, but my roots is where it's at. That's where it be popping at up in there. So I'm just going to fly past these sections, and I will let you guys know my final thoughts in the end. I don't have any complaints about this Prepoo, y'all. They literally working the same. It's just that when I had too much product on my hair, the Just For Me was not mixing well with it at all. I guess I had too much gel in it. But right now, it is working just fine. And who said you couldn't use kid products for adults? Hair is hair. Y'all know I love a good comparison video. This was a great one. The Just For Me Curl Piece and the African Pride Moisture Miracle Prepoo. This is a staple product, and I highly, 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 highly recommend them. I will link both of them in the description box below. Make sure you guys go check it out, and if you guys do, please comment down below what you guys think of them and which one do you like the most. I have to go with this one because it never let me down. Whether or not I have a ton of gel in my hair, gunk, it's dirty, this never let me down. But if you're dealing with a hairstyle that you didn't use that much product, this is perfect. They both work the same. I love them. This is $5. Test it out. If you don't like it, bring it back or give it to your little niece or nephew. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this type of comparison video. I'm trying to do different things on my channel. Y'all make sure y'all hit the thumbs up if you like this type of content and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I post videos once a week and you won't miss out on them if you just hit that bell below. And it's your girl Faith. I'm out. You guys have a wonderful day. Love y'all.